Dive into the dictionary, unraveling the world of synonyms and antonyms. Hello everyone! Today's exciting topic is all about using a dictionary to uncover the world of synonyms and antonyms. By the end of this video, you'll not only be a dictionary whiz, but you'll also have improved your vocabulary skills by leaps and bounds. The first thing we need to do is understand what synonyms and antonyms are. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. For example, happy and joyful are synonyms because they both express a feeling of pleasure or contentment. On the other hand, antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. Happy and sad are antonyms because they express opposite feelings. Understanding these will help you make your speech and writing more varied and interesting. So, how can we use a dictionary to find synonyms and antonyms? When you look up a word in a dictionary, there will usually be a list of synonyms and antonyms for that word. For example, if we look up the word happy, we might find joyful, pleased, content under synonyms and sad, unhappy, miserable under antonyms. By using the dictionary this way, you can expand your vocabulary and learn more words that express similar or opposite ideas. Now, let's practice using the dictionary to find synonyms and antonyms. For instance, let's take the word beautiful. Can you find synonyms and antonyms for this word using a dictionary? Great! Some of you might have found synonyms like pretty, lovely, attractive, and antonyms like ugly, unattractive. Keep practicing with different words. The more you practice, the more your vocabulary will grow. That's all for today, folks. Remember, using a dictionary to find synonyms and antonyms can be a great way to expand your vocabulary and enhance your English language skills. We hope this video has been helpful, and we encourage you to continue exploring the wonderful world of words through your dictionary. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll see your English improve day by day.